Oh, wait, okay.
One, two, three. I'm ready.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay, she's ready for me. All right. Joey, I'm gonna get a nose waxing.
Sounds awesome to me.
You can watch because you could be next if you want.
All right, I'll think about it.
All right.
Jason always wants me in pain. That's.
I'm just trying to help. I'm trying to help a bro out, you know. All right, everybody. What's up, everybody? I'm Jason Rupp. This is Joey over there, my bud. And then we got Sal.
Sai.
Sai.
Yes.
Okay, Sai. Sorry, I'm sorry.
No problem. It's okay.
Okay, Sai, can you wax my nose hairs, please?
Okay,ค่ะ.
Okay, thank you.
You ready?
I'm ready when you are. Actually, okay, well, let's do the ears too.
Side. Okay. You want not to?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay. That's hot.
Thank you. Sai, how you doing? How are you?
What?
สบายดีไหม
สบายดีค่ะ
Oh, ดีมาก
Good. Happy to see you again.
Oh, happy to see you. It's good to see you.
Same.
Long time no see.
Yes. Long time.
Long time. We go way back.
Oh.
Long time.
How long you stay?
This time? Oh, I've been here a few 2 months now, I think, this time.
Oh, 2 months.
At least. Oh, wait. Okay.
One, two, three.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good. Oh, that's nice. That's a lollipop. Joey, you want to taste?
No. I like
Save it here. Let's show them all together.
That's okay.
We'll show them off. We're going to put them in the Smithsonian. Are you doing it again?
Yeah.
Oh,
Too much hair.
serious?
Yeah. One, two, three. I want you clean.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I need that. That was some strong hairs in there, really. Doing it again. Oh, double.
Yes. See.
That's not so bad. Okay, thank you. Those are small hairs.
It's okay.
You okay over there?
Yeah.
Young.
Yeah, okay.
1, 2, 3.
That wasn't so bad.
I want.
Oh,
One.
I can feel the burn like Bernie Sanders.
One ได้ไหม
All right.
Okay. มา
My chai.
You can I know.
Oh, she's doing the ears 2 times
Yes.
each. Okay. Yeah, Joe, you stay here. Be in the video. People love you.
Don't cry.
You're over here flinching. I'm over here flinching. I'm like, ooh. And you want me to do that?
Don't cry.
I've never done that.
You need it.
One, two.
Okay, not so bad. Yeah, that's
I want to check.
yeah.
One time.
Oh, one time enough?
Yes. Enough.
You could do it again if you want. It's up to you. You're the artist and I'm your canvas.
Yeah. Sorry.
Up.
Again.
There you go.
Is that a third time? That's a triple nose waxing. Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Oh. No blood? Oh.
Too much.
Seriously, that's some deep roots coming out right there. Thank you.
I want to check first. Okay, one time.
One more?
Yes. One more.
All right, you have your standards.
Already. So cute. Great.
Okay, good. I need that.
No. Noong, song,
You can choose.
me pull? She wants me to pull, right? Noong, no, I'm just kidding, you do it. Noong, song,
One,
Sam.
1, 2, that's
Oh.
not too much.
Oh, not too bad. It just had a really loud sound when it
Enough?
came out because it's a big piece. All right, good. Thank you.
Me? No, you just... That's a good look for you.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, there's some good long hairs. Look at that one.
Wow.
Look at that. That's for you.
Keep for me. Okay, I put it.
Up to you if you want.
Oneได้ไหม
Okay.
One นะ
One more? Okay. Thank you.
เยอะมากครับตุ่มๆเลยใหญ่ๆเลย One, two. One, two, three.
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, seriously, that's a good one. I can even breathe better.
1, 1, 1.
One more?
1, 5, 1. 1, 5, 1.
Oh, Sai is so fun. So cute. So beautiful, too.
ขึ้นค่ะ
Of course.
so fat ด้วยตอนนี้อ้วน
Oh, that's cute. Nala.
น่ารักขอบคุณค่ะ
Yeah, we like that. Cup.
Me?
ไม่นะ
Maybe.
Maybe. You
I already reserved you.
No, I don't have nothing.
have
I do. Just trying to convince me to do it.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, they keep coming. Good. I hate those nose hairs.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, that's not bad.
พี่ตามยิ้มแนบหน่อยได้ปะ
Seriously, I breathe a lot better now. It really makes a difference. Seriously, it makes a difference. Is there any more? Thank you. Oh.
Mát má.
How many? 1 2 3 4 5
Yeah, how many? How many is it? Oh, there's more? Okay, more.
14.
14 piece, okay. Oh, alcohol, huh?
Okay ค่ะ finish
Finished, okay, I love that. That was great. 14 pieces. You put it in a Ziploc? Say to him.
โอเคค่ะ
There it is. All right. Yeah,
feel good
I breathe easier. Yeah.
Okay ค่ะ finish
Okay, thank you very much.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
All right. Oh,
thank you
Good.
very much
Muay Thai
oh yeah, how much is that?
200 baht
200 baht. Okay, okay, deal.
100 200
No nothing
นี่บิกินี่แว็กซ์
No no
Did you do the bikini wax?
yes
Yeah.
yes
Not me
My friend, he's very hairy.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 thank you ขอบคุณ
Thank you
ค่ะ
too. Thank you. It's for you.
โอ้ขอบคุณค่ะ
Cup.
ใช่แล้ว see you next time
Oh yeah. Let's do the outro. Okay, Sai. I'll be back. At least it helps with picking your nose. You can pick your nose a lot easier now, rather than like with you have all that hair in your nose. It takes a long time getting picking your nose. Now it's so easy. It's just like boom, you're done.
Looks good good
Like a baby's nose again.
And I tweeze mine if it's sticking out I tweeze it
I'm good. I save them up for her. All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Suni Barbershop. Thank you, Joey, just for being a bro. To be here for me for my painful nose waxings and things.
Anytime
Appreciate it. Check out Joey Moore's channel, his YouTube channel below. I want to thank all my members and subscribers and everybody for watching these videos. Click and like. And just want to wish you peace, love, health, and happiness. Remember the love. Anything else to say?
You guys have a nice day
Have a nice day. What a nice thing to say. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. All right. Massage?